Now question 6 of 7.1. Okay, so here name the types of quadrilateral form. Okay, it means here we give name the types of quadrilateral when it form. Okay, if any is there, by the following points and give reason for your answer. Okay, so here 1, 2 and 3 questions are given of question 6. Okay, so answer 1. Hello, answer 1 of question 6, it is similar to question 5. Question 5 as we solve is like, hello, it is similar, same. Okay, when you solve it, so here also you get for this, hello, for this number 1, it is a square quadrilateral. How can? So as we solve in question number 5, જે question number 5 માં solve કર્યું a b b c c d and d a. Okay, so here answer 6 number 1 you see. Okay, so here answer 6 by number 1. Okay, so by distance formula is equal to under root into bracket x2 minus x1 raised to square plus y2 minus y1 raised to square. Okay, now whichever points are given as we write here, okay, it is a b c d. Okay, first here, hello, this one a, this one b, this one c and this one d. Okay, as we decide, so here a b and c and d. Okay, after then we find a b b c c d and d a. Okay, these are the sides of, okay, quadrilateral. It means we decide here if suppose there is form, so it means these are the distance, sorry, it is the distance of the, okay, between 2 points. The AB is equal to under root 8, BC also under root 8, CD also under root 8 and DA also under root 8. When you find this distance between points as per this formula. Okay, and diagonals if you check, so AC is equal to 4 and BD also 4. So here all sides is equal. So AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA is equal to, okay, all sides are equal and diagonal also equal. So ABCD is square. So here number 1 is, hello, square quadrilateral. Okay, now we check number 2 and 3. Okay, so it is A, B, C and D. Okay, again here we find the distance between the 2 points A, B, B, C, C, D and D A as per the distance formula. Okay, so here AB is equal, hello, it is A, it is B, it is C and D. Okay, as per the vertices are given. So AB is equal to under root 52. Then we get, hello, simplification. So 4 13s are 52. So we get 2 under root 13. Then BC under root 13. CD is equal to under root 50 and DA is equal to under root 85. When you, hello, find by distance formula, you have to, hello, you have to solve this sum in your notebook as per the distance formula completed. Here I solve directly. Okay, because now you know very well the formula. Okay, and after then diagonals, hello, and diagonals AC is equal to under root 13 and BD is equal to under root 14. Okay, so here, hello, when we check the distance between them, there is any one relation, so we can write that there is any quadrilateral is formed. So here, hello, we get this relation. Okay, AC plus BC is equal to AB. You see here AC is equal to under root 13. Okay, and BC also under root 13. These both are, so when we sum, okay, this both distance, so we get AB is equal to 2 under root 13, 2 times, hello, here under root 13, again under root 13, then we get 2 under root 13. It means it is AB. So we write here AC plus BC is equal to AB. So here, hello, that I already explained in question number 3. Okay, on first day when I started this lesson, when the points here vertices are collinear, so this type of, hello, relation is there. So here A, B, C are collinear. So out of 4 points, 3 points are collinear, so there is not form any quadrilateral. So here ABCD is not a quadrilateral. Okay, so it is number 2. Now 3. So here 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 4, 3 and 1, 2, that we decide as A, B, C, D. Okay. So now 3 number here I decide A, B, C and D. Then we find again as like same. So here I get AB is equal to under root 10, BC is equal to under root 18, CD is equal to under root 10 and DA is equal to under root 18 when you check by distance formula. And diagonal AC is equal to 2 and BD is equal to under root 52. Well, you see here AB, here AB and CD, these both have equal. Okay, they both are equal, distance is equal, and BC and DA also both are equal, under root 18 under root 8. So we write here AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to DA. But diagonals are not equal, so here AC is not equal to BD. So here this vertices form a quadrilateral. But which type of? Because there is only AB and CD equal and BC and DA equal. It means they are opposite side. So here opposite side are equal. Okay. So that's why it is called ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. Opposite side are equal. Diagonals are not equal. So here answer 6 is over. Okay.